Good evening. Anything that we discuss today is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technologies. So follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully you will learn how I analyze the data in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose of making this video is to analyze Nifty options open interest data. We are going to be analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames, and we would be framing a view for 21st December. Apart from the index, we would be discussing our stock watch list as well. If we analyze the open interest data on Friday, we can see that highest amount of calls have been written at 14,000 strike, followed by 13,800 strike. So going forward, 14,000 is going to act as a resistance based on the open interest on higher side of calls. And if we see the puts, highest amount of open interest is at 13,700 strike, followed by 13,600 strike. So 13,600 is likely to act as support in the coming week. So based on this overall open interest data, we can conclude that on a broader term basis, that Nifty is trading in a range of 13,500 to 14,000 level. And if we see what happened on Friday, you will see that highest amount of calls were written at 13,900 strike and 13,800 strike. And if we see the puts, highest amount of puts were written at 13,700 strike, followed by 13,500 strike. And you can see that out of the money puts, 13,100, 13,250 strikes, they saw their open interest reduce as well. So it just tells us that out of the money put writers, they have booked their profits, and out of the money put buyers, they have booked their losses, which has led to this reduction in open interest in out of the money puts. If we analyze Nifty spot on multiple time frames, here we will see that on the monthly time frame, market is under control of buyers as it is trading above its open 13,062 levels. And if we see the weekly time frame, here again market is under control of buyers as market is trading above its open 13,571 levels. And if you see the daily time frame, today on Friday, market was under control of sellers. Although market saw a recovery and later part of the day, but the candle that we have is red. That is, it closed below its open. So for me, it is under control of sellers on the daily time frame. However, based on the this long tail, we can conclude that the people who were shorting the markets, they eventually covered their positions, and in the end we had the highest closing on the index so far on a closing basis. We closed at 13,760 levels on Nifty spot. And if we see in terms of structure, here we have a lower high, that is high on Thursday was 13,773, and on Friday the high was 13,772. So it's slightly lower, and we made a lower low as well. Yes, on Thursday low was 13,673, and on Friday the low was 13,658. So in technically the structure is broken in context of the uptrending market. So we had higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and on Friday we had a situation where this structure was broken. So again we are neutral on the markets. That doesn't mean that we would be shorting in the market. It just means that we would have to wait for the structure to again show higher high, higher low in order to become bullish on the markets. So right now, in context of bias, one should have a neutral bias. And based on the daily time frame, we get the following scenario for 21st December. And you have to remember that this is a short week due to holiday on Christmas, which falls on Friday. So usually volumes diminish around the holiday season. So it would be best that one can refrain from trading. However, if you still want to trade, it is best that volume should be light. So what is likely to happen on Monday is above 13,760 levels, we can trade towards 13,772, 13,802 levels, and potentially 13,841 levels. And below 13,703 levels, we can trade towards 13,658, 13,628 levels, and potentially 13,589 levels. And 13,760 to 13,703 is a neutral price range. Like I've already mentioned before, that it's a short week, so I personally would be very light in terms of my trading volumes, and if possible, I may even refrain from making any trades next week. Now we would be discussing our stock watch list for 21st December. The stocks that we have chosen are Powergrid, SBI Life, HDFC, and Jubilant Foods. So these are all inside candles, and inside candles are formed when there's an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. So we'll look for breakout in either direction of the high-low range of Friday to establish our positions. So in Power Grid, we'll look for buying opportunity above 194.9 levels, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 192 levels. And in between the high-low range, we'll not be making any trades in Power Grid. Our second stock is SBI Life. It's again an inside candle. We'll look for buying opportunity above 864.1 levels, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 852.7 levels. Our third stock is HDFC. We'll look for buying opportunity above 2489.1 level, or we'll look for selling opportunity in below 2430.9 levels. And as with all inside candles, we'll refrain from making any trades in between the high-low range. And our final stock is Jubilant Foods. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 2879.85 levels, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 2740.9 levels. And again, I will reiterate that as these are inside candles, we'll be only making trades if market breaks either side of the range of this inside candles on all these stocks on a Monday. Else, we will not be making any trades in these stocks. Finally, before ending this video, I like to summarize that we are in a broad range of 14,000 to 13,500 levels based on the overall open interest data. And on Monday, above 13,760 levels, we can potentially trade towards 13,841 levels. And on the flip side, below 13,703 levels, we can potentially trade towards 13,589 level as well. And max pain for 24th December weekly expiry has remained at 13,700 levels only. And stock watch list comprises of inside candles, Jubilant Food, HDFC, SBI Life, and Power Grid. Finally, I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. And do check out our description section of this video. There you can find link to all our recent blog posts, and you can also access information regarding how you can contact us through our website. And finally, I'll once again like to thank you all for watching this video.